Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you a live example of how I entered trade and made a profit. As you can see, this is euro pound. As you can see, it is still moving up. Our TP is hit exactly right there. I put the TP and as you can see it is starting to pierce that thing, right? So we will be using the Fibonacci. So as you can see, TP series is exactly right there. So our TP will be plus a rectangle there, and I will get out once TP series hit, or I will trail my stops. In this scenario, this is euro pound, and I have trailed my stop up there. As you can see, look how it is moving. It is just crazy. Look at this. I entered after this thing broke out. So this is a consolidation when you see it on the 4 hour, right? This thing. You could have sold this thing to the downside, but I didn't see it. So as you can see, it is moving hard and hard and hard. So let's check the trade, right? It is on Prime XBT, and as you can see, that is huge right there. That is still 200 USD profit in this trade, right? I have minimized 70% at exactly the TP, and now I have let the other run, right? So that is amazing trade right there. That was an amazing trade. Next is pound dollar. As you can see, pound dollar is also in profit, as you can see it right here. So let's see it. Let's see. Pound dollar is a little bit for now higher time frames. I entered on the higher time frames, right? Let me show you here. What do you see here? Nothing, right? There is nothing here. There is nothing here, right? There is no entry. There is nothing here. But I entered right there. Why? Let me show you on the higher time frames, like the daily and the weekly. So you can see this thing is consolidating, right? Let me zoom in right there. So in this case, what you're gonna do is you're not connecting the wicks. I told you you have to connect the equal parts, right? These are the equal parts. So you connect this one just like this, and you connect the equal parts, right? So this is the daily time frame. As you can see, the market is now falling, trying to pierce this thing, right? Even better when you see it on the weekly, you can see that this thing is in a good shape, right? It is in a good shape, and it has already broken down. So all you gotta do is connect this thing like this. You don't do nothing, that's how you do it, right? So you can see this thing has already broken out. So what we need is we will be bursting down a lot. This thing will move a lot and a lot. It will cover this thing and will move down a lot, right? So that's why I entered. You can measure on the weekly. So your TP is right exactly as this loss right there. Your TP, let's put our TP right there. That means it is a, I don't know, it could be a 500 pip movement. So let's measure it. So right there to the downside. Okay, that is 200 pips right there. That's a 200 pip move. That is huge. That is very huge. It is huge. If you enter by 10, I mean one lot, uh, you could get instantly. You could get, I don't know, 200 or something dollar. So this is a huge move right there. So we could get that in no time. in the next week or something, this thing will reach down, right? So it will reach down. So that is what the motivation that made me interesting. As you can see, it is consolidating, right? As you can see, it broke down on both ways, on the weekly and on the daily, as you can see, right? So the first TP is right there, exactly right there. Eurochef, I think it is showing us we are having, we broke, so we will be entering a trade on Eurochef. So this is great on euro, I mean pound dollar is already great. As you can see, I have been waiting here also, the third model in play right there. It broke the downside, now it broke the upside. So the only way it could go up is now up, right? It is going up right there now. So all I want is, I will not enter now, I will enter once the market makes a wick down here after the support has been formed, because I was late, I was a little late. So I should have entered when exactly that thing broke, but I was talking to you, so uh, I missed it, right? So I should have entered right there, not up there. There is a huge pip difference, so I want a wick. So all we gotta do is place an alarm right there, okay? To tell you, the market will tell you, I mean the trading will tell you once this thing dips down. So when it dips down, we enter. That is where it will accumulate, it will pull back, and that is where we enter. Then it will reach the upper parts, right? So let's determine the TP up there to down here. The TP3 rise there at 0.94, I mean 0.9938500 rise. This is the TP riser. Let's put the horizontal line right there. Okay, this is it. Yes, as you can see, it is making a wick, as you can see it, right? It is showing us there is a wick right there. That's what we want. That is what we want, right? So for the time being, I am in profit. Oh my goodness! Oh my Jesus Christ! Did you see that? This pound dollar, I mean euro pound is still pushing up, and it's crazy, bro. Totally I got for 700, that's crazy. Pound dollar, yet it didn't even started moving yet. It didn't. So it could be thousands of dollars, I think. Soon it will reach thousands of dollars. As you can see, it's still moving. My stop loss is up there at 0.85300. It is down right there, okay? Do not touch it, do not even touch it. If you want to close this position a little bit, like maybe 100,000, like half of it, you can do that. So you can see I closed half, and the same thing on this is a tail lot trade on pound dollar. It's a little bit risky, but let us close 400, right? 400. We will trade with 600, as you can see. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. This is beautiful. Now we are risk free, right? We are risk free. It's beautiful. Let us check a Eurochef if it did hit. Yes, I told you, like I told you, as you can see, just like I told you, it went down. Now we buy Eurochef, right? We buy Eurochef. Where is it? It's around here. It's around here. This is where we buy. We'll be buying 500. 505 lots right there. So you can see this is a perfect opportunity. As you can see, there is a huge pullback right here. So if we had entered up there, it could have pulled back right here. So eating our money. So we will be entering right there. As you can see, even on the 5 minutes, we had a consolidation. So, as you can see, look at this, how it pushes, it pulses like a sniper. It moves in a speed of light. Boom. Now look at this. It bursts up. It is so crazy. That is why I'm telling you. We are participating in the distribution. We are not participating in that up and down movements. No, no, no. We are entering a trade when the market really starts moving. When it really starts to reach this next target, right? So that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And you cannot deny this black box. The black box is amazing. It's amazing. Okay. So I will see you in the next one. Right. Because as you can see, there is nothing to show more. There is no other trades. Maybe some others have some other currency pairs have started. Oh, there we go. Euro Aussie again. Another one. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I mean, it's beautiful. Let's see Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is showing us that it has crossed. Come on, please, 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 please. Come on. What is going on with this connection? As you can see, the same thing on Euro Aussie too. It's the same thing. So you can just uh, so as you can see all of them. So Euro pairs have made this the third model, right? The third model is made now. Break. I mean, single fake out. It is single fake out. Simple, simple. It's the same thing here. We wanted a pullback, so let's place an alert here. But I don't think it will be coming back because the others have already moved. The euro pairs have already moved. Let's change the color to visualize this thing. What the hell is going on? It's crazy. So as you can see, it has moved up Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie. You can buy this thing, right? All you gotta do is just measure your TP. Oh, great. We can't even see this Fibonacci right here. It's crazy. So on the daily time frame, you can see that Euro Aussie is consolidating inside this box, right? So they have all of them have their own. All of them have their own peculiar feature, but market structure is the same. The pattern they make is the same. There is no difference. Okay. One day Euro Aussie makes the third model, the other day Euro Chef makes the third model. One day Euro Pound makes the second model, the other day Pound Dollar makes the second model, right? So it is the same thing, just packaged in different ways. So I think I'll probably finish this video because we got no trade at all. So as you can see, the black box is still working, and use it. I'm telling you, just use it on a demo, and you will appreciate how this thing works, right? So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for